Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn for product management using Productboard proof easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or your name. Once on your profile, locate the About section. Click on the pencil icon to edit this section. Write a concise summary that highlights your experience in product management. Incorporate relevant keywords related to your skills and expertise. Consider mentioning your familiarity with Productboard and how it has enhanced your workflow. Next, scroll down to the Experience section. Click on the plus icon to add a new position or edit an existing one. For each role, clearly outline your responsibilities and achievements. Use quantifiable metrics when possible to demonstrate your impact. After updating your experience, move on to the Skills section. Click on the pencil icon to edit this area. Add skills relevant to product management, including your proficiency in Productboard. Be sure to reorder your skills to prioritize the most relevant ones. Now, focus on your endorsements. Reach out to colleagues or connections for endorsements on your product management skills. Next, update your profile picture if it's outdated. Choose a professional-looking photo that represents your personal brand. Consider customizing your LinkedIn URL to make it more memorable. You can do this by clicking on Edit Public Profile and URL on the right side. Finally, engage with relevant content and thought leaders in your field. Like, comment, and share posts that resonate with you. This will increase your visibility and connect you with other professionals in product management. Regularly updating your LinkedIn profile keeps you relevant in the industry. Make it a habit to review and refresh your profile periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.